Ever wondered what it takes to provide the best care for a feline friend? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey into the world of cat care. First things first, nutrition. Cats are obligate carnivores, which means their bodies require a diet of primarily meat. Feed your cat a balanced diet that includes a good quality commercial cat food and occasional treats of cooked meat. Remember, chocolate, onions, garlic, and certain plants can be toxic to cats, so keep these out of their reach. Now let's discuss hydration. Cats, especially those on a dry food diet, need access to fresh water at all times. Some cats prefer running water, so investing in a cat water fountain might be a good idea. Moving on to litter box maintenance. Cats are clean animals, and a dirty litter box can discourage them from using it. Make sure to scoop out the litter box daily and change the litter regularly. Next up is grooming. Regular grooming helps to keep your cat's coat shiny and healthy. Brush your cat's fur regularly to prevent matting and reduce hairballs, and check their ears, teeth, and nails routinely. Now let's talk about play and mental stimulation. Cats need physical and mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. Provide toys, scratching posts, and interactive activities to keep your cat entertained. Next, we delve into veterinary care. Regular vet checkups are essential to catch any potential health problems early. Ensure your cat is up to date on vaccinations, and don't forget about regular flea and worm treatments. It's also important to provide a safe environment for your cat. Keep toxic substances and small objects that can be swallowed out of reach. If your cat goes outdoors, make sure they have a safe place to retreat, and consider a collar with a bell to protect local wildlife. Finally, we touch on social interaction. Cats are often seen as solitary animals, but they also need social interaction. Spend quality time with your cat each day and consider getting a second cat for companionship. And there we have it. To recap, good cat care involves providing a balanced diet, ensuring constant access to fresh water, maintaining a clean litter box, regular grooming, providing play and mental stimulation, ensuring regular veterinary care, providing a safe environment, and offering social interaction. Cats are more than just pets, they're family. By taking these steps, you can ensure your feline friend lives a long, happy, and healthy life. So go forth with this newfound knowledge and become the best cat parent you can be.